Stealth 3 has been designed specifically to meet Australian conditions. It is now a more versatile mower, and you can mow from parks, ovals to general open space areas. The Stealth 3 now presents a time saving for operators in that there is no longer a requirement for daily greasing. It also is the most user-friendly machine in that the operator can fully operate it from the tractor cabin. The redesign of the mower has allowed for improved long grass mowing capability. The mower now also features either dual or individual wing lift capability to allow for greater mowing versatility. The Stealth now comes with sealed spindle units, an improved roller bearing retention system, and a reduction in the total number of drive belts. It's the easiest Stealth yet to service. It also comes with a full 3-year factory-back warranty that covers spindles, gearbox and PTO. A total reconfiguration of the wing hinge geometry now allows the wings to tip inwards, which prevents them from inadvertently falling down while transporting on the road. The automated wing lock system allows the operator to alternate between transport and mowing positions while never leaving the cabin. So with the new covers on the Stealth 3, the operator can safely stand on the covers while hooking or unhooking, and the clutch on the gearbox allows for easier connection of the PTO shaft. We've enlarged the clean-out ports on the mower, so it's far easier and faster for an operator to clean out after mowing. We've reduced the number of belts on the deck, and they're far easier to adjust. And it's got a much improved height adjustment system as well. And it's easy, an operator can change heights on the machine in under 15 minutes. So Trimax has been in Australia for over 27 years under the colours and branding of our previous distributor, Howard Australia. Recently though, there was a mutual decision for Trimax to sell and distribute product in its own right, and we're now doing that under our own global brands. In recognition of the Australian market, Trimax now has its own Australian warehouse where we distribute nationally through an elite dealer network. And that enables us to stay in contact with our end users, which we see as vital.
Safety is really important to Trimax. We look at all the safety standards that we can find out in the marketplace. So we look at the British standards, American standards, there's international ISO standards, Australia and New Zealand standards. It means a customer can be assured that the safety testing has been done and the machine is as safe as it possibly can be. The Stealth Series 3, wherever possible, we've greatly reduced the need for the daily maintenance. So we've gone for grease-free spindles, grease-free hinge points, grease-free roller bearings, looked at the way the belts are fitted and tensioned, all so that the customer doesn't have to spend a significant portion of his morning maintaining the machine. It's easy to service. The wing's been redesigned from the Stealth Series 2. It has much better airflow so that it can cope with longer grass conditions. It also reduces the amount of grass and dry matter that gets blown into the belt chamber. Trimax has developed a new roller bearing design which accurately positions the roller bearing on the roller and secures it positively. What that means is that the roller bearing will last a lot longer, meaning that there's less need to replace it, and when the customer does replace it, it's easy and inexpensive to do so. Overlapping rollers are particularly important in the areas of grass that are particularly well groomed. So you've got sports fields, ovals and golf courses and things like that. Having the full width overlap means that the grass is rolled evenly, producing a really smooth, clean finish.
So the development of the Stealth 3 has been a really important process for Trimax. It's evolved over the last 18 months and it's involved considerable consultation with end users. Trimax customers have proven to be a crucial part of this whole process, as essentially they've defined the parameters they've seen as important in the development of this mower. The feedback that we've gathered during that process enabled us to test the changes that we were making to the mower, and essentially we've resulted with a mower that's been designed by you and built by us.